Today I'm in Audi A3 Sportback. In this video I'll show you how to manage radio panel. In the beginning, look at the center of the car, and right here we've got this panel. If you want to change radio volume, simply twist your finger like this.
Czekamy na niego na festiwalu.
If you want to change track, press left or right. You can also change radio station like this. If you want to turn off the radio, press this upper button. Or if you want to mute, press this lower button. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.